apple pie, French toast. Let's put them together and make one. And we have our nice loaf of bread. We're gonna go ahead and remove the inside, but set it aside because we are gonna keep on using it. Here we have our nice little French toast mix. Cinnamon, vanilla, eggs, milk, you know, all that good stuff, guys. Just get the inside nice and covered like this. All the walls, get that flavor. Now, let's continue. We've got some apple pie filling with green apples, that is. And you know how it goes, hot water, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, little vanilla. Got roasted pecans, beautiful, just like that. Got a little caramel. And because I like my caramel salted, I'm gonna come through with some salt flakes, just like that, beautiful. And we continue the process again. Green apple pie filling. There we go. Same with the nuts. Roasted pecans, caramel, and some flaky salt coming right your way. There we go. Just like that. Now guys, we're going to bring it over into the rest of this French toast batter, and real quick we're going to brush it on all sides just like this. Get this side and this side. It's going to give that extra delicious flavor. Let's go over here. Now check this out. Got a little pie dough. I'm gonna run it down just like this. And here we go. So I'll spread this out just a bit. Look at that. See how easy that was? There we go. Now we pick it all up. Bring it this way. And we pull. Those nice little diamond shapes all the way around. Get that center. Stick it around just like this. Now we got this little block right over here that we're not going to waste. We're going to dip it in our French toast mix, and it's going to be a giant French toast stick. Let's go to the oven right this way. Let's get this pie party going. And we are back from the oven. Apple pie, French toast, all in one, and we're not even done. Woo. Listen to that, guys. Go ahead and get it nice like this. Go ahead and get that out the way. Just flip it over. Wow. Get a little extra filling for this one, guys. Just like this. Come onto the plate. Beautiful. Look at that. Now, a la mode. Here we go. Little vanilla ice cream. And here we go. Just like this. Guys, top it off with a little caramel. Just like this. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys.
And we're going to start wrapping this around. We just want to cover the whole roll. Now we're going to take this off. I'm just going to slide my roll off, and we're going to undo the tape at the end. It's okay, there's going to be some pieces that will break off. That's completely normal because this is very, very fragile. And we'll take the tape off from the other end. And now I'm just going to slowly slide this off of my roll. There we have our caramel tube, and it's very simple. We're just going to cut this into 3 pieces. I'll put it closer here so if it falls it won't break. We're going to place that on our plate. And now we're going to continue cutting. Place these here. Place our apples here. Now I'm going to start placing my dough into my mold. We're just going to use our shot glass here, press that down. This is just a pie crust. We're going to come and put our caramel in the bottom. And don't worry if it's a little bit off, it's going to melt in the oven. All right. Now I have my apple. We're going to pull that apple ribbon out. We're going to lay this out and we're going to start at the end and we're just going to slowly roll this up. It's okay if there's a little break in there. We're going to cut this, and now we're going to cut this in half. We're going to take our 2 pieces of apple, place them into our mold. I have some other apples already prepared. We'll just pop those in. We'll top with some butter. And we'll take this to the oven. We're going to place this in a 350-degree oven, first for 15 minutes for the dough, and then we'll check the apples. Now, we're going to take out our dough, and we're going to flip out our caramel apples. Just place those nicely onto our plate. Time to put it all together. We're going to start by placing our disc of pie dough, and we're going to place our caramel around it. Our last one. And now we're going to put in our whipped cream, a sprinkle of toasted pecans. We're going to slide in one of our apples, some more whipped cream, more toasted pecans. Now we'll add in our last apple and a sprinkle of toasted pecans on the plate. We'll add a last little sprinkle of pecans. You can find all the details on this recipe on chefclub.tv. Now it's time to taste. Okay, so some caramel, some apples, some cream.